me and Babe are on our way to get a sweet treat and to go get some vintage neckties at Red, White, and Blue Thrift store in Oldsmar, Florida. So stay tuned. And we're going into Magic Tea. Hey.
Okay.
Alrighty, we're here at Magic Tea in Oldsmar, Florida on what, Hillsborough Road? Yeah.
Hillsborough Avenue.
So I'm just going to get my favorite. I always get a matcha Thai tea mix, and then I get it blended like a smoothie because it's hot as hell here in Florida. And then my Kel always gets his
Bucket size.
Yeah.
Tiger milk tea boba with creme brulee that they toast with a actual torch. Pretty awesome. It's like drinking a campfire, marshmallow campfire. Yeah.
Because they're in a bucket. So we'll order those and then I'll show you what they look like. Got your bucket and my matcha Thai. Then I'll turn it back on us. Cheers! That's real good. We just got our sweet treat, and now we're gonna go to the thrift store and try to find the matching vintage neckties so I can upcycle them into an outfit. Okay, we're here at the thrift store and we're manifesting some really cool ties. Wish us luck. Let's get a cut. Sparkly. Oh, look at those ones.
Too small, but yeah.
Okay, is this? I'm coming, the ties are over here. I'll be at the ties. Okay. Aw, so cute. Little stitch. Okay, scatterbrain. Let's get what we came for. We came for some neckties. So they always have deals here today. Let me see this green. It looks like 25% off of white, 50 off peach, 50 off yellow, and 75 off green. Okay, so let's try to keep the price down. Some of these ties can get a little pricey. So I'm gonna be looking for ones that are probably like under a couple dollars. These are like really pricey, especially if I'm gonna get a whole bunch of them.
So we're looking for yellow, peach, white, and green.
Yeah, I don't think any over here. Let's go on to the next one.
Okay.
And I do come here a lot, so I might have gotten all of the ties. Let's see. Because usually they have more cheap ones than this. Okay, I think I just found a couple good ones. Here's like a tan one, and then there is a blue one. So we're getting somewhere, because
Okay.
I found this one. So that's 3 now. Let's see what else we can find. Alrighty, so I found 3 to go with the blue colorway. This is like for the blue and pink. And then I have one that's tan and green, so I think these will kind of go in there too. And then we're not breaking the bank because we're only spending like what, $10 on all these. We do have to go to another thrift store because unfortunately I didn't find enough to make the skirts more that I need. I have about 10 at home, but I probably do need about 10 more. So let's go find some more because we only found about 5, so we probably need about 5 more neckties. So we're gonna go to another thrift store and I'll see you guys there. And you guys know I cannot go to the thrift store and not come to the purse section. They have an amazing purse section, and you can see behind me that it goes all the way down that wall and all the way back down that wall. So I'm just gonna show you some of the purses that some little cute finds. So this is the first bag that I found that I thought was so cute. It's actually from the Coach Poppy collection, which was my first designer purse when I was in middle school. I actually got from this collection, so it's very nostalgic and it's timeless and cutesy. Oh my god, this girl just found this fake Gucci purse over there. It was so cute. Anyways, this one is really cute too. It's giving like Y2K with the straps and the zebra print. Real leather, really nice leather. I love the tote. You can put all your crap in it. And it's only $7.99. Gosh, I just found this really cute like collector's item. Halloween's just around the corner, and we got this Nightmare Before Christmas patchwork purse with Jack and Sally. It's so cute. I found this one. It's a Steve Madden little micro, like a little mini tote. You can use it as a crossbody or as a handbag, but it has this cute little compartment. You can put like some change or some chapstick, your credit card. It's a really cute, nice fall bag. Love the color. And it is August, so we are getting into the fall season. Just found the cutest little purse. Oh my gosh, this is $4.99. This is supposed to be a dupe of the Louis Vuitton 2015 collection with Takashi Murakami. It's just so cute. It has little L's on it instead and this cute little bow. It does feel like pretty nice leather, and the strap is in really good condition, but so cute. It's actually one of the good like knockoffs because they're not actually trying to look like Louis Vuitton, so that's really cute. And oh my gosh, the strap on this purse is so cute. It's a little rhinestone moment in the sequence. This is definitely giving like Hilary Duff, Lizzie McGuire, all of the above, and she is the moment. We have this haughty pink Juicy Couture tote, and then you can put all your crap in it. Good for traveling, and it's just so cute. I love this color. Okay, we're checking out. I did get my mom this little sign. So cute. Only $1, so cheap thrills. Okay, so we had a little bit of luck in there, but we didn't find everything that we needed, so we are going to another thrift store. And hopefully they will have the neckties that we need. So I will see you guys there. Okay, I'm here at Last Chance. This is our last chance to get some neckties, okay? But if we don't find them here, we'll save it for another day. We're trying to find at least 5 of the colors that we need of the neckties, so I will meet you guys inside. Okay. I found the neckties, so we're gonna go look through them and see if we can find any. Everything in the store is half off because I'm part of their membership club. It's one of the only thrift stores I know that does a little text message to the subscribers, so we get half off everything in the store. We're here at Last Chance Thrift Store in Palm Harbor. Okay, so I'm definitely having better luck this time. We got some purple, some pinks. I just found another pink right here, and black. And then these are $3 normally, so they're gonna be $1.50 each. So we just lucked out. I'll show you all the ones that I find. Okay, I got some green ones and this cute like tan one. And then I got some blue cool tones. And then this one I'm obsessed with. It's Gone with the Wind. The movie from what, the 30s, and it has Clark Gable and Vivian Leigh on there as well. Okay, I am back home in my sewing studio, and these are the neckties that I already had. As you can see, they're like purple and pink and just some kind of like neutral colors, but they're all kind of different patterns. This is what we're going to use to make our mini skirt, and then the ones that I just got from the thrift store we're going to add into these too. So I will show you when I have them all laid out on the floor, and then whenever it is finished. Okay, so here's what they look like all laid out. I'm gonna cut them all the same length for my skirt, and then I will stitch them up and check in with you guys after that. Okay, so here's what it looks like now after I added the waistband and I sewed everything together. I'm gonna do the final stitch and attach these ends together, and then I will show you what it looks like. Alrighty, y'all, I just finished the skirt. This is how it came out.